Hey everyone, my name is Keith. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell, and you will get notified when I post some more videos. So with that, let's go check it out. Today I am going to show you my recipe on the best salsa ever. It is so fresh, the ingredients are so fresh, you'll probably never go back to store-bought salsa again. So I have a special secret for my salsa, so I want you to make sure to watch to the very end, because that is when I'm going to tell you what it is. First, I get these wonderful tomatoes on the vine. I do the vine just because freshness. And then I get one jalapeno. Get a pretty good size depending on how much heat you want. I don't like a lot of heat, so I will actually de-seed this jalapeno, but then use the rest of it. And then I get one full yellow onion. You can do white if you like. I prefer yellow, so definitely look at that. And then I do some cilantro, beautiful cilantro, and then of course a lime. Last thing I have to do is just cut a half a lime. Cut those into quarters, and then I'm going to squeeze these bad boys into the salsa. It's gonna be wonderful when it's all finished here. Unless you get some in your eye. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Tomatoes, onions, cilantro, jalapeno, and lime juice. Whatever you're missing, salt. I like to use kosher salt. So nice and coarse, and all I do is literally do a pinch or more. So you're really gonna do this to your taste. So now that I have all of my ingredients chopped up and I put them in this nice big bowl, as you can see I had to switch bowls because I made a little too much, because this does make a lot. So most of the ingredients are in here. I'm just gonna give it a nice shake, or if you want to call it a roll, that works as well. Just to mix all of those wonderful fresh ingredients together. What do you usually do in the summer with salsa? You probably have maybe a taco or a burrito, or definitely chips. What do you usually want to drink with that? I do tequila, my secret ingredient. I'm going to use just about 1.5 ounces of tequila. Maybe a little less. I'd say probably about 1 ounce. Ounce of tequila, and what am I gonna do? That's right. Goes right on in. And then we are going to stir this bad boy up. Oops. Tomato overboard. That is smelling so good. Okay. Oh, need a little bit more salt. I'm gonna add that. and stir it one more time. And here you go. Ladies and gentlemen, the best salsa on the planet. Hands down, you probably can't get any better, any fresher, any much more homemade than that. When I'm finished with all of the chopping and the mixing and everything, I will actually put it in the refrigerator for a good 24 hours before I actually serve it. This kind of gets all of those flavors and everything kind of mixed together, and then I kind of stir it and mix it together during that time. If you need to serve it today, the day of your making, you can definitely do that. It's still gonna be good. Here is a tip to keep your cilantro fresh. What I do is I take a couple paper towels and I wet them. And then what I do is I will, if I can get this, yes. I will pull them apart, so I have two, and then take the cilantro that's somewhat wet already, and I just roll it in the paper towels, and then put this in the refrigerator on the vegetable side. That way it keeps nice and fresh and clean. If you have any extra onions like I do, here's what I do. Obviously I put them in a little baggie, I zip them up, and I do not have one of those sealants, those air distractors. So what do? I use my lungs. I just take it and suck out all the air. And there we go. And then that is kept for later. If you have enjoyed this, if you've enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. I appreciate those. Comment below if you've ever tried this. Let me know what you think, and definitely make sure to subscribe. Hit that little bell to get notifications on when I post more videos. And check the links down below, because I do have some hiking videos. I do have some beard product videos. I do have my how-to videos. What else am I missing? Oh, and my next Netflix and movie videos as well. Check those down in the comments and the links below. Also, with my beard products, I do have the beardstruggle.com, which you can do an additional 15% off on all of your orders. Anytime you order, use that Matthews 15 and you will get a 15% off on every single order. All right, with that, I am off. You guys enjoy your day, and I will talk to you guys later.